Poland has decided to transfer up to 9 MiG-29 fighter jets to Ukraine in exchange for drone technology. Deputy Minister of Defense Paveł Zalewski announced this in an exclusive interview with the TVP World program On the Record. In December, Poland's military leadership confirmed that talks were ongoing about a potential deal where Poland would receive Ukrainian drone technologies in return for supplying the aircraft. "We are waiting for a response from the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense. The discussions are continuing. These are purely technical talks," Zalewski shared. When asked if Ukraine had agreed to Poland's offer, Zalewski confirmed that Kyiv had accepted. "I believe that the Ukrainians have decided to accept this offer. Of course, as always, there are some technical aspects that need to be clarified," he noted, adding that the first batch would consist of fewer than 10 aircraft. Zalewski emphasized that the technical details of the MiG-29 fighter jet transfer, including logistics and maintenance, are currently being worked out. In December, Cezary Tomczyk, another deputy minister of defense of Poland, shared that 6 to 8 Soviet-made aircraft are nearing the end of their service life in the Polish Air Force and could be transferred to Ukraine as part of a potential military technology exchange deal. President Volodymyr Zalewski had said that these aircraft are important because Ukrainian pilots are trained to fly them. He emphasized that the issue is not the shortage of aircraft, but the shortage of pilots. According to him, pilot training on the F-16 takes from 8 months to a year and a half, whereas Ukrainian pilots can immediately fight on the MiG-29 without additional training. The transfer is expected to be part of NATO's broader policy to strengthen the alliance's eastern flank and support Ukraine. The outdated MiG-29s will be replaced by more modern aircraft, such as the F-16 and F-A-50.